Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're in the kitchen. So this morning when I was at the senior center at dance, somebody brought me these figs, and I brought them home and I'm cooking them up. First, I'm setting my oven to 375. And then I'm taking my figs, cutting them in half, and sprinkling a little bit of brown sugar on them. Next, a little bit of cinnamon. Oops, I got a little bit too much, but that's okay. And now I'm going to add some rosemary. I know that sounds a little strange, but that's what the recipe said. There they are, all ready for the oven for 40 minutes. All right, it's been 40 minutes, so let's get them out of the oven and give them a taste. Smell good. So they look a little slimy. Here we go. The texture is not to my liking, but the taste is to my liking. Just have to get around that slimy texture. That's why I'm not giving it a full thumbs up, just kind of a shaky thumbs up. Let's try some honey though. All right. Okay, it's better, but of course it's more sweetener on it, so it should be better. I actually put them on a bagel with cream cheese, and they were really good. Thanks for joining me, and let me know, do you like figs, and how do you eat them? Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.